Hi friends, welcome to my channel once again. But I am very much sorry that I could not be able to make video for a longer period of time. And I was seeing that my channel is getting lesser view than usual because of because that my videos are usually of 30-40 minutes. Now I have decided to make videos of uh, shorter time period. That means within 8 to 10 minutes. So I want to start the discussion without any delay. I want to share some name of stocks. It is a disclaimer. This is for educational purpose. What I learned from Vivek Singhal strategy, 10% strategy, ऐसा करके कुछ है. This type of stock can give return of 10% within 1 week to 1 month, 2 month, max to max to 3 months. It can take, and if it gives 10% return even in 3 months, then it will make 40% return per year, and it 40% return per year for a small trader is huge. If you trade with 10 lakh capital and get a CAGR of 40%, then it will be huge, and it will grow at a faster rate than any others. So let us move to the chart. The first one is Bajaj Finserv. You can see in daily chart. In daily chart, it is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. But I want to go directly to the stocks that is ready for the strategy to enter. Ready, they are following the all the criteria regarding that 10% strategy. Let me brief the strategy. The strategy says that if continuously a stock continuously makes green candle and makes 9 to 10% upside move, then we will have to mark the lower point and the higher point. Let us type HDFC AMC. This is the chart on 2024 May 27th May to, sorry, 31st May to 3rd June. Two candles made return of 11, give a move of 11 point something percent. Then if we mark the lower point and the higher point, it is getting the 11 point mark. And from now, if we mark the potential upside, it is 9%. And if you check the weekly or monthly candle, it is also retracing after giving a long-term breakout. The second stock is HDFC Life. HDFC stocks has not moved for a longer period of time, so I think it is like it is going to do something better. This group of companies, as Tata companies gave. In daily chart, you can see here there is a move of 9%, so it is just trading at that same point, and we can easily get a target of 9% from here within few days or weeks. Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. I think I'll have to draw the movement. Yes, this is a movement of 13%. I think the stock will be Bajaj Finserv. I have marked all the stocks. Okay, let us move to HUL. Then I will find out and update in my community. Yes. Hindustan Unilever gave a massive return of massive movement of 16% in just 2 trading session, and it is just trading at the mid, so we can trade it for a potential upside of 6%, and we can get it in the next week, I think. And the next stock is Nestle. You know that in this type of volatile situation, this type of consumer stock do very well. So there is a potential upside of 9.67%, and it made this type of consecutive green candles from 21st December 2023 to 29 December. So you can trade it for a potential upside of 10% approximately. At this level, we can enter on Monday. AkzoNobel. This is a paint company, and it has also given from 2nd February, from 1st February to 6th February, in consecutive 3-4 trading sessions, it gave 17% massive return. I cannot call it as return, it is a movement, because it made a spike there. So we can trade it for an upside gain of 15%. On Monday, we can buy these stocks by following the strategies set by Great Vivek Singhal sir. All the strategies are given in Sir's YouTube channel. You can follow the playlist. It is in English version and Hindi version also. Okay. So I'm ending up the session. Please do like the video, share with your friends. I'm going to search for this type of stocks in the near future, and will tell you which strategy it is following, which strategy we are following, how to make money management. And one more thing is that you cannot invest more than 3% of your total capital in these stocks, and there is no stop loss. Thank you very much. We'll come with another video from tomorrow. Thank you.